Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the machine shop. I am sitting in my truck. It is Wednesday morning at 8 a.m. I'm in rainy rush hour traffic. Rush hour as it can be at the tail end of the pandemic. But I am driving to the shop because today is a big day. Today is the day we pour concrete. Specifically, we're pouring 50 cubic yards of fiber impregnated concrete over the 3,700 square foot building. That is the former Price Filler machine shop and the new downtown headquarters for my company, Lift Arc Studios. Okay, we're here at the building getting ready. We got guide pins, Tapcons, Bridges back there doing a great job. Say hi, Bridges. We've ground down this section that was a little greasy and leaky, so the concrete's going to be able to bond, and got the whole ramp area leveled out. And so the neighbors are cooperating. We got room that way, we got room that way. We're going to have a giant pump truck set up right here, pumping into the building, and then the ready mix concrete truck will be able to back up to the pump truck, dump in the pump truck and all that. So you'll see it when it starts happening, but we're about 20 minutes away. Yeehaw. I'm here with Ben Comer and his son Bridges. What's the name of your company?
Comer Construction.
Comer Construction. They're kind of handling, they've done all the prep work on the concrete slab, and we're supervising today, right?
Yep.
What are we worried about? Anything?
Making sure there's fiber strand in the concrete.
Yeah, so the first concrete truck actually showed up without any fiber in it. So he had to throw it in the top, and now he's mixing it up. But we got a bunch of guys standing around ready to work. So let's hope for a smooth, productive day, right? What's the biggest slab you've done?
This one.
This one?
Yeah.
That's not what I want to hear.
No. Most mine are just houses.
Special guest.
Yeah, I'm coming to see the concrete being laid. It's like watching the grass grow, so to speak, but a lot more expensive.
Yeah, right.
It's a big day here at the machine shop, guys. It's really something that you've been trying to do for years, and we've been wanting to get done for years, and finally it's time. So
it's been about a 2.5-year process. Y'all probably remember my dad Mike. If you saw the Salvage Dogs episode when we got in this building, you guys remember what it looked like before.
Yeah, it was crowded.
It was rat trails.
It took 2.5 years to empty it out.
I probably could have done it faster. I should have done it faster, but
yeah, it is what it is now, and it's going to be an amazing space. I'm really excited to see the transformation, and this is just the beginning of it.
Yeah.
We're setting the base, so to speak, setting the floor. Everything else will go up from there. New day here, so
it's kind of metaphoric, actually.
It really is.
You need a good base, good foundation.
Can't wait to get the equipment back in here and get the machine shop and the wood shop cranking and Dave's new studio.
We're gonna do some cool stuff in this building.
It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be a lot of fun when this whole thing comes back. A lot of good custom work's gonna come out of here. As we lost him over at Black Dog. We're sad about that, but we're happy for his new venture. And we're here to support it.
You know, it's not a total loss.
You're not going, you're not going far.
I'm only 5 minutes away.
I know it. Here's your mom.
Hi, Mom.
looking good, man. Looking good. It's gonna be nice to have a smooth floor.
We're gonna have a dance party in here this weekend. Six feet apart though. Okay, so it's Friday. We poured the slab on Wednesday and it's had 2 days to dry now. And I think this is the first day I'm gonna see it and be able to walk on it and check it out. I'm so excited. Let's see the result. And I've already put the dogs in here. Hi, Stella. Say hi to everybody. There's May over there. Wow, look at this slab. Look at this slab. So they saw cut the relief joints. Man, this is a completely different space. Look at this. 3,700 square foot building. This was about 45 cubic yards of concrete. It's a 4-inch thick slab and pumped in within a day. And it is fibrated. It's got fiberglass fibers in it to help increase the strength, and then just polished with a rotary trowel. And it is awesome. It is so flat. For those of you that know what this floor used to look like, this is incredible. It dried really slow. We've been getting a lot of rain here lately, and while I was able to put tarps over the skylights to keep them from leaking, it did leak in a few other places, but it's just been cold and really humid. And one thing I learned about pouring concrete on top of existing concrete is that concrete dries by the water inside of it evaporating. And normally on a new slab, it's just being poured on gravel, so the water is able to go down through the gravel, thus allowing the concrete to cure pretty quickly. Here, the water had nowhere to go except up, so all the water in the concrete had to rise to the surface and then evaporate that way, which took much longer. The pour concrete guys were here. We started the pour at 10 a.m. on Wednesday. They were here until probably 5 a.m. on Thursday. So it was a long day for them because concrete's all about timing. They had to wait for it to harden to a certain point to where they can run that rotary trowel on it and really get it flat like this. And if you do it too early, it doesn't really polish up. If you do it too late, you're screwed. So you really have to wait and babysit it and wait till it's the perfect time for that. So good on them. Nathan and his dad, Tim, at RHR, did an amazing job. Ben Comer with Comer Construction orchestrated the whole thing and did all the prep work, including the pins and the tap cons and everything.